How to find other notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find other notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and go down again and click here notifications, and now just click this one here, other notifications, and here you can manage it, turn it off or turn it on or anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.